of the year is in it to win it. Cause I'm gonna take the crown.
I like the way.
Mic check 1, 2. I like the way this sounds. This sounds hot right here. Check it out.
Light sound, light sound, light sound, light sound.
Rise to the throne. Hey yo, I like the way it sounds. I'm the king with the crown. I got the best sound around. I'm coming from the underground. I make your hands clap, make your fingers snap, make your toes tap. Go and lean back, bob your head. Don't be scared, my sound is hot. My sound don't stop, my sound is unique. So move your feet and get on down to the sound of the beats.
Light sound, 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 light sound.
Part 2 to the song, groove to the song, move to the song. This is a smooth song. My sound so fresh, my sound is the best, better than the rest. There's no contest. I mix a little this, I mix a little that. I sample, mix, scratch. This is a hot track. My sound is blazing, my sound is amazing. Haters keep hating cause my sound is the greatest.
Light sound, 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 light sound.
Break down. Verse number 3, last but not least, I got the type of sound that'll move your feet. I could take a sound, put it in a song, and make you bob your head all night long. People wanna know how I make my sound and how I get down to the ground. I tell them it's simple, give me a drum sample, give me a drum machine and I can make an instrumental.
Light sound, light sound, light sound.